Hi everyone, this is Annette, PurplePaisley Planner. So I got Happy Mail from Villabeautifful. If this is something you'll be interested to watch, please stay tuned. So I took it out of the package. It came in this envelope. So let me go ahead and take everything out. So this is one of these quick ones, so not to be too long. Okay. So I'm gonna show you this. Okay, so let me show you my goodies. So I'll start with this first. So this here, it looks like a little tab of bookmarks. So okay, so here's that. You get 2 bookmarks, it looks like, or you can use it as a tab. Right there. Align your actions to your goals. Plan. Let's see what this one says. Plan for the day. And then this is just plain right there. So that's nice. Then you get 2 washies, which is really nice. You get 2 washies right there. Let me see if I can open it. Well, I'll show you how these washies look when I do my plan with me. Right here. I don't want to mess my nails up trying to open the package. Okay. Then you get the stickers. So you get the stickers. So here's your goals and start sticker. Here's another one. I like these stickers. This one says, New Year goals, make it happen, write it down, focus on your goals. So I'm kind of late in opening my kits and everything. I had like boxes and boxes that I had to get to, but I just didn't have the chance to. Here's these form appointments, little stickers here. This foiling. Here's another one. Here's this here. The dots, your check marks where you could do your checks. Let me make sure there's nothing. Oh, there was another. Yeah, so you got this and then you got that. And then this one here, be proud of yourself, note to self. These are just so super cute. And then this here, this is a pen pocket to keep your pens in. Isn't this cute? So, like this pen here that I got. Let me show you this pen. This is so pretty. You know, I love the stars and everything. So, anything that has stars or sun, I think is amazing that God created the stars and the moon. So this is, here we go. See that? Isn't that pretty? Look at the stars. And then it says, Villabeautifful. I just think this is the prettiest star pen It got the reflection of the stars right here. So you could put this in the pen pocket. And if you have a lot of pens, you could put them in the pen pocket. And if you see my other videos, I showed where you can make your own pen pocket. So if you filled this one up, you can make your own pen pocket. So this is cute. Yeah, just check out my other videos and you see where I made this pen pocket. I mean, where I made a pen pocket. Okay, let me show this one here. Okay. Oh, this is nice. So this looks like something you could put in your traveler's notebook. So you could put that in your traveler's notebook and it just opens. So that's really nice. I like that. And then let me show this here. And this was all in the kit. Her kits sell out really quick. Here's this one. This is her sticker book. And I'll kind of flip through her pages real quick. See? So you got this here. Here goes the second page with the foiling. Here's the third page with the full boxes. Here goes another one. Nice foiling. Here's your tab markers where you can put your meetings and everything with more stickers. This is cute. This is good when you want to decorate when you're doing your plan with me. You could decorate your calendar with the stickers. Here's this one with the new silver foiling. And this one is your day and your days. Right there. And the last stickers. Right here. I like this. So that's your sticker book. So I like that. And then here's your papers. You had your choice where if you want to get the paper pack. Here's the paper pack. And I like to make dashboards out of these. The paper pack. Here's the paper pack. Here's the first one. Inside. That's nice. Here's the second one. Right here. Right here. That's cute. And these are cardstock paper. And this is the vellum. And she's got two vellums. So here's the vellum. this is the other vellum. See? And you could put this in your journal, your traveler's notebook. You could do whatever you want with your, and this is vellum, with your paper and your vellum. And then, oh, let me show you the last thing that was in the kit besides the pen here. There's two more things that was in the kit. You get this journal that was in the kit for the month. You get this here, your gold journal. See how I got the stars and it's silver? And see? Your steps. So it's got this in there. And then right here. So you could put your ideas, notes, or your vision board. See? And they got that for every day. You want to do a vision. You could do a vision board for the month or for the year. Or just write down notes, and it's got a ribbon too. So you mark it, save your page. But yeah, it's 100 GSM paper, gold project and journal. So yeah, I like this. And last but not least, this was in the kit too. It looks like a little clip. So you get these clips. So I'm going to show you the clips. So the first clip is this here with the little charm. It's got that on there. And the second one is this one. Oh, this is cute. Right there. It's got a woman's face on there. And you could put it on it. It's got a lobster claw. And then you got a clip for this one. So this one, let me show you. You could clip it. There you go. So there's the clip one. It's got the cute little iridescent charm, like a little iridescent bead right there, iridescent. I just think that's so cute with a gem. It's just really nice. I like it. And then this one here, I don't know if you can see this one, but it's on a lobster claw clasp. And it's got a woman on there. See? So that's everything that was in the kit, except for the paper pack. The paper pack was an additional if you wanted to purchase it. But yeah, that's everything. If you like what you saw, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Everyone have a super duper day, and I'll talk to y'all later. Stay positive. Bye-bye.